Hello there, and welcome to Insight Living. All right, it's been a while. I haven't posted up any videos for you guys, so here we have it. So let's get to it. All right, here we go. So with me, I have this portable humidifier that I got, and it had a good deal at Bed Bath and Beyond, and it'll last you 4 hours runtime, and you can use AC, alternative current, or USB. So it's a small travel size. It doesn't really allow any oil essentials or anything like that. Just filtered water is best. Don't use tap water. I repeat, do not use tap water because it will clog up the little device in there, the little motor. So then, better just use filtered water or distilled. And plus it's good for the air as you breathe it. So I'm getting this because in the winter it gets really cold, and so I gotta get it in my room, and my family cough in the middle of the night, probably due to the dry air. So better just have them have a good night's sleep, right? So let's just do that. So about this product, let's see. So it's my first time getting a humidifier, a really small one right here, portable. And I'm gonna update on you guys down the line later on, and I'll give you a review on it. If it's really good, does it last long? Does it really work? Did everybody had a good night's sleep? Things like that, okay? So there you go. All right, so there you have it. That's the new product. And this is Insight Living. Okay, and I'm gonna be seeing you guys in my next video, so please subscribe if you haven't done so at the bottom. Also like it if you like the video, and please leave a comment. All right, let's try to get this open. Opening this thing is a pain. They should make it where you just like a little tab better. That'll be a better option. So let's see. What do we have here? Okay, move the camera for you guys a little bit so you can have a better view. Oh, there you go. Okay. Pretty lightweight, small, durable. Okay, let's see. So it comes with a USB cable right here, and then this is the adapter for it. Let's try to show you guys where it goes. So here we go. So there's a hole there, and then you just go through here. Bam, and then there you go. And the power button's right there. Let's see. Okay, that's what we have there. Let's see what's next. And AC current to there, same port right there. That's the same port. Plastic as well, and instructions manual. So we got 1 year warranty. Okay, so it's a personal ultrasonic humidifier, and it's just instructions and all that good stuff. So I'm just gonna go through it real quick, not too long. How to use it, well, pretty much common sense. On/off button, how to fill it, unscrew. So you have to unscrew the humidifier top cover from the water reservoir by turning it on. All that stuff. Okay. So let's see, where's that screw? So I'm trying to figure out how to add the water in there. Okay. Oh, so you just twist it. Oh, and this is the sponge filter that I mentioned earlier. So it comes with 2 extra ones, and there's 1 in here already. So there, like that, see? So you just refill this, so it's brand new right here. These are just extra, put that aside. Place it through here, and you twist it. That's about it. Okay, and fill this part with water. And you twist it. Twist it on. So let me see. Just to be on the safe side, let me just take a look at the manual real quick. Read all instructions. Okay. And also, what's so good about it, it has a auto shut off timer. This humidifier is equipped, so that's pretty good. Nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and add the filtered water. Alright, here's the filtered water. Okay, good spring action there. Got it on there and twist it. Alright, there you go. Unplug the USB one. Okay, let's check if it leaks. Okay. So it will leak if you tilt it. So it's better just have it to stand like that. Because I already pretty much tightened it really well already, see? Yeah, but it still leaks from there. Alright, so I'll go ahead. Let's plug it in. Here. Alright, let's let me take you guys to an outlet. Okay, let's go find an outlet real quick. Alright, so what we're going to do is plug it in and power it up. Okay, you can hear a little sizzle going on, as you can see here, and when you push the power button, it lights up. Okay, it feels a little cool, misty. Not sure if the GoPro can catch that. Okay, so I'll give it some time to warm up. And that's pretty good, and it's not too noisy, so all of us can have a good night's sleep. Giving you guys a better view of the smoke, the mist, more like it, coming out of the humidifier. And there you have it, folks. Plain and simple. So that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Insight Living out.